Hey, what's up guys? I want to do a real quick review of this lavalier system I just bought from Comica. It's a dual transmitter and single receiver unit, so you can have two lavaliers on individual people, of course, one on me, one on somebody else, and then the receiver has two outputs, so you can record separate audio. So far, I'm very impressed. Comparing these to my Sennheisers, I really was expecting the body to not be this durable. In fact, I didn't expect it to be metal. I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's metal, and it's really heavy. And I think that's due to the fact that there's a rechargeable lithium-ion battery in here. They advertise 10 hours standby. I don't know if that means 10 hours of use with audio actually going through it and back into the receiver, but so far I've been using it for about 6 hours with it on, and I've gone down one click. So I'm not sure if those last two clicks go quick or not, but that's really cool. Honestly, for a day, I don't need more than 10 hours by any means. In fact, I don't need more than usually like 3 hours. So as long as I can get a solid 3 hours out of this, then I would be very happy. So we're outside, and really what's important for me when I'm shooting with lavalier mics and recording audio is that it works, that it sounds good. Hello, birds. And that it rejects noise from t-shirts, stuff like that. The quality of the mic is very important to me. So on my Sennheisers, I use a Rode mic, and I've been happy with that. It's worked pretty well for the most part, but I'm interested to see how this does. It comes with a bigger windscreen than this, but it's a very fluffy one. There's a little bit of wind right now, kind of every once in a while it's picking up, so we'll see if it can if we can hear any wind noise. There's some wind right now with just the little stock windscreen on it. So, but from here, I'm gonna just keep talking and start walking. Okay, so I'm outside, just gonna simulate basically what a wedding day looks like for me and when I would be using wireless audio lavaliers outside. So specifically on wedding days, I'll have a mic on a groom and then a mic on a pastor for the ceremony. And so usually I'll have the receiver and recorder at the very first chair at the very front of the ceremony, underneath it, just kind of on the ground in the grass usually. That's only like 10 or 20 feet from the groom or the pastor. So that's really all I need, but I'm gonna just, for the heck of it, start walking and see if I get any audio dropouts or any loss of quality. The big thing for me, whenever I'm using audio, of course, is I don't want dropouts and I don't want any issues with audio being fuzzy or really any loss of quality. So this is seriously further than I would ever get with the lavalier, but still it's good to know, I guess, the limitations of your system. Because if it doesn't work this far, then you'll know to never push it to where it won't work this far. Of course, they advertise, 100, 250 feet or so in an open area, but this isn't, I wouldn't even consider this open. There's a house to the left, there's trees, there's things that could always cause issues. So I'm curious to see, even if this drops out audio, because it's pretty far. And you never know what will happen. So again, the number one things I'm looking for is dropouts. Number one thing, I guess I should say, because audio dropouts are the devil in audio. If you have somebody speaking or a groom doing vows or anything like that, or the pastor talking and you want to use that audio, good luck. I mean, if it's dropping out audio, then it's, in my opinion, unusable. So we're going to see if this compares to the Sennheiser system. And, to be honest, I've had Sennheiser rigs, even my own, drop out just within a matter of 40 feet or start causing audio dropouts. And it makes the audio unusable. So I'm curious to see how this one did. So let's go inside and take a listen. Okay, so I just got back in from outside, listened to some of the audio, and listening to the quality of the mic, I'm very impressed. I was expecting it not to be on par with my Rode mic through the Sennheisers, but it's actually almost the same. So you can really pull out incredible audio out of this mic, and so I'm very impressed. One more thing I forgot to mention is it comes with a case, which is kind of cool. It's almost like a Pelican style case where it's got cutout foam inside for all the 3 units, and so you can keep it safe when you're going from wedding to wedding or day to day. But thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, click the thumbs up, and I will have the link below in the description if you're interested in checking out this product. Thanks, guys.